Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto from spot to P2p. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, go to your web browser and then search for how to transfer crypto from spot to P2p. And then it will direct you here. Now just scroll down and there you'll see this option, how to use the P2P option in Binance. So just tap on that. You can see here the step-by-step process. So first what you're going to do is to log in to your Binance app and then go to Binance Pay. And then tap on Send Cash. Next, select the destination country and select your preferred payment method. Now, add a new bank account. Next, enter the crypto amount you want to cash out. Now, just follow these simple steps. If you have questions in this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!